Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this lesson we are going to do these two questions of factorization of polynomials by the method called middle term splitting. So here we are going to factorize this polynomial by the method called middle term splitting. So from the factors of 15 we need to obtain 4 root 3. So what we can write 15 as 5 into 3. Later we can split 3 as under root 3 into under root 3. Now clubbing 5 root 3 together, we get 5 root 3 minus root 3, which is 4 root 3. Now, in order to factorize this, we are going to split the middle term, that is 4 root 3v as 5 root 3v minus root 3v and minus 15 copied. Now, common between first two term is what? V. So it's going to be taking v as common, we are going to get v plus 5 root 3, and taking negative root 3 as common, we are going to get v minus 5 root 3. Now, throughout the expression, we can see that v plus 5 root 3 is common. So taking this common, we get inside the other factor as v minus root 3. Now, equating v plus 5 root 3 with 0, we are going to get v as what? Negative 5 root 3. And equating v minus under root 3 with 0, we are going to get v as what? Under root 3. So these are the two zeros of this polynomial. So first thing we are going to do is to multiply the coefficient of x squared with the constant term, ignoring their sign. So we can say that it is 12. And now from the factors of 12, we need 5 root 2. So we can write 12 as what? 6 into 2. Later we can split 2 as what? 2 can be written as root 2 multiplied by root 2. Now check on clubbing this together. This is 6 times root 2 and this is 1 times root 2. So this results to give you how much? 5 times root 2, which is the middle term in this case. Now for splitting the middle term, what we are going to do is to write the middle term, which is 5 root 2x as what? 6 root 2 times x minus root 2 times x minus 3. Now what is common from the first two term? It is 2 root 2x is common. So what we get inside as root 2 times x plus 3. And taking minus 1 as common from the last two term, we get root 2x plus 3 only. Now check, this is common throughout the expression. So we can write this as common root 2x plus 3. And what we get the other factor as? We'll get the other factor as 2 root 2x minus 1. Now check on equating this with 0, what we are getting? We are getting minus 3 over root 2, and equating this with 0, we are going to get x as what? 1 over 2 root 2. So these are the two zeros of this polynomial.